Question 16 is, if one can induce parthenocracy through the application of growth substances, which fruit would you select to induce the parthenocracy and why? So to answer this question, we need to know what is parthenocracy. Parthenocracy means fruits which are seedless. So parthenocratic fruits are seedless. Now, they will develop from an ovary without fertilization. And lastly, for examples, bananas, grapes, oranges, pineapple, guava, watermelon, lemon are selected because these seedless fruits are high economic importance. So when you eat grapes, usually the grapes which we find in the market are seedless. Bananas are now which we find are more seedless. So parthenocratic foods are what? Seedless. Remember, parthenocratic means seedless. Develops from an ovary without fertilization, and it has extremely high economic importance. Okay, students?